Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig on her birthday. Let's start drawing. With a cake. First I draw Peppa Pig. I start with her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth. And a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. I draw a heart here. In her hand, I draw a nice birthday cake. I draw 4 candles on the cake. Wow! Peppa is now a big girl! I draw the flames like this because Peppa is just blowing out the candles. I decorate it with some circles on the top. I like it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. We are going to color Peppa Pig first. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink color. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. I use light purple for her cheek. Her pajamas are fuchsia. And pink. For the plate, I use turquoise. Now I color Peppa's birthday cake with the colors of the rainbow, red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green. Light blue, purple, and pink. Yellow for the flames. It looks delicious. Then I use orange. I add a little purple here. Cool! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.